Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite gadgets. Today, we're diving into something that's been bugging a lot of Apple Watch users: how to turn off the zoom feature on your Apple Watch in 2025. If you've accidentally enabled zoom and everything looks magnified, don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps quickly and easily. This is a super helpful fix that takes less than a minute, so let's jump right in. First off, what is zoom? It's an accessibility feature on the Apple Watch that enlarges the screen for better visibility, but sometimes it gets turned on by mistake, making navigation frustrating. The good news is, disabling it is straightforward. Start by waking up your Apple Watch. Simply raise your wrist or tap the screen to activate it. Next, press the digital crown, the round button on the side of your watch, to go back to the home screen. Once you're there, look for the Settings app. It's the one that looks like a gear icon. Tap on it to open. Now, scroll down through the menu until you find Accessibility. This is where all the helpful features for customization are hiding. Tap on Accessibility, and then scroll to the Zoom option. It should be listed under the Vision section. Once you tap on Zoom, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply tap that switch to turn it off. You might see a confirmation or the screen return to normal size immediately. That's your sign it worked. If you're still having issues, make sure your Apple Watch is updated to the latest software, as Apple often refines these features. You can check for updates in the Watch app on your iPhone under General, Software Update. And there you have it. Zoom is now off, and your Apple Watch should be back to its regular view. This simple tweak can make a world of difference for your daily use. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Apple tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.